Hi Pro Bono crew, it's Claire Desira here. I head up the Top 5 Movement, which is a training organisation for leaders and people in change making and generous careers just like you. Welcome to your Monday morning jobs newsletter. I'm stoked to be here again for the third time in our video series with a mindset hack that might support you through your job search. We all know that looking for a job can be a vulnerable process where our confidence takes a hit. And so we've been thrilled to put these videos together and give you some tips that will help you make this the most fun and memorable job searching experience you could hope for. Each week we've been sharing a tip or a list, a surprising list that would be helpful in your job search. And this week we're back with a list of one thing. I mean, is that even a list, one thing? But anyway, let's run with this. It is a list of one thing. And that one thing is a skill or an experience during the day where you might catch your breath and feel a bit unsure and a bit shaky. And what hoping you can do is actually isolate one of these skills or shine a spotlight on one of these skills so you can actually start to practice it and develop it while you're in your old job. And by actually doing this, it's filling up your headspace with examples of how you're able to learn new things, which can support your job search. But it's also giving you a bit of confidence in your ability to learn new things. During any job search and job change, you are required to learn so many things, and sometimes we can forget and overlook our ability to learn new things. So this is a way for you to build one more skill before you change jobs or even improve it a little. It's also a way to remind you about your amazing learning abilities as well as you head into this job search adventure or perhaps a new appointment. So pick one thing. It could be running meetings better. It could be around building the confidence to just reach out to a stranger in another part of your organisation and learn more about their area and how it might relate to your area. It could be around picking up the phone to people, just thinking about your day-to-day and those moments that kind of catch your breath and you maybe feel a little bit shaky and wish you could be a little bit more confident or better at that particular skill. Let's shine a light on it and build that a little. So this week's all about that list of one thing. What is it? What is it? What would you love to nail or build on or improve a little before you make that job change so that when you walk into that new office environment or that new role, you've got something else in your tool belt to draw on. Hope this has been helpful. We'll be back again next Monday with another video. And in the meantime, if you'd like to check out some more practical, award-winning mindset resources, please head over to top5movement.com and hopefully we can be of service to you. Thanks so much. Have a great week and see you next Monday.